I told the truth. Hania's story. This is Hania, a 5-year-old little girl, innocent and full of life, running after butterflies in a beautiful garden, laughing and playing. She was everyone's favorite, honest, pure-hearted, and full of joy. But with time, a small habit began to change her. Lies. Tiny little lies told only to escape scolding. First one lie, then another, and soon it became her routine. At school, when Hania lied. At home, when she broke the vase and denied it. Her parents were surprised, but her mother didn't get angry. Instead, one night, her mother told her a story about a child who lied so often that when he finally told the truth, no one believed him. Hania began to reflect. She stared at herself in the mirror. And then, from the depths of her heart, she said, "I lied." The next day, for the first time, Hania told the truth. Joy in her mother's eyes, a smile from her teacher, and a soft peace settled in Hania's heart. She had realized that lies might save you for a moment, but only the truth brings peace to the heart. And so, Hania chose the path of truth.